Trinidad has some of the best vegan recipes. Here's a personal favorite. Okra is my favorite vegetable. I've already shared a fried okra recipe. Today I'm adding aloo or potato for a heartier, filling, more satisfying meal. These are the simple ingredients you'll need for this amazing dish. Okra, about 3/4 pounds. 2 medium, 1/4 of an onion, a large, very large onion, habanero, Scotch bonnet, wiri or Congo pepper, 4 cloves of garlic. When choosing okra, make sure that they're green or bright green, young, and not too, what is the word for this? This okra is a bit more mature, so it will be a little more stemmy or woody on the inside. So try to choose young okra if you can. Sometimes we don't have a choice. To prep the okra, just cut off the tops and the ends and slice. This is an older okra. It's thick. This is older. This is a much better okra. Or you could use a slicer. Perfectly even. And there's number 3. Let's try number 3. Either number 2 or number 3. Still perfect and will save you time. Next I'll slice the onion and the hot pepper according to your taste, preference, and heat tolerance. And I like slicing the garlic as opposed to grating it. Could burn if it's too fine. Next I'll peel the potato. Now that the prep is completed, let's start cooking. I'll add enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan. About 4 to 6 tablespoons. Maybe a little more. Next we'll add the potato, the diced aloo. And we're adding the potatoes first because we want it to cook. And we don't want the onions and the garlic to overbrown. Hey Bixby, set the timer for 10 minutes please. I'll cook it for 10 minutes. You want it to be fully cooked and have a nice brown color on it. Okay. The potatoes, when cooking for about 5 minutes, they're halfway cooked, they have a nice color. Now I'll add in the onion, the sliced onion, sliced hot pepper, and chopped garlic. This comes together very quickly and cooks very quickly, so have all the ingredients ready. I'll add some salt, about a teaspoon. Add according to your preference. Next we'll add in the okra. We'll give it a stir. Make sure there's enough oil at the bottom of the pan to fry the okra, and we're not going to stir it too much. Spread it out and allow it to fry. And the heat is on medium-low. I allowed it to cook for a couple of minutes, then we'll flip. So far it's been cooking for about 10 minutes. So just flip, keep flipping. One more time, keep frying until you're happy with the desired color and everything is fully cooked. Will take about 15 to 20 minutes in total. I'll continue this one more time. Add salt to taste, just a sprinkle. I'll cook it low and slow from this point on to allow the liquid from the okra to evaporate to prevent any sliminess. So the heat is now on low. And that's another reason that I don't add too much okra at the same time. I don't cook too much okra at the same time, because if you overcrowd the pan with okra and the ingredients, it will become slimy rather than dry and crisp. The onions, which have caramelized as well, will add a lot of flavor to this dish. It's one of the most enjoyable parts of this dish actually. With the sada roti, you will really taste the caramelized onions. You just have to make sure that the potatoes are cooked. Not all of the garlic are brown, but that's fine. As long as they're fully cooked, you're good. We'll have all that flavor from the fried potatoes in there. If you wanted it more crisp, you can add more oil and cook a smaller quantity. So this is good for me. I will take off the flame and allow it to dry in the pot. We'll continue to fry on residual heat. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make fried okra with aloo, or fried okra and aloo. So delicious. It's going to be amazing with sada roti or the whole grain roti that I've posted or will post. Healthy start to the new year. And that's all there is to it, my sweet friends. I hope you've enjoyed being in the kitchen with me today and learned something new. If you have, please like, share, leave a lovely comment below, and subscribe if you wish to see more. Until next time, stay safe, be well, cook, share, and love. Bye-bye.